Hi little kids, today I am going to learn you how to draw a cute heart shape emoji and how to make it funny. Here I am drawing two big heart shape and then I will draw here some small heart shape. So let's follow me and try to draw with me. These hearts are best friends. They both are best friends. I am drawing here some small heart shape to make it beautiful and cute. I draw the best friend picture. Now it's time to color it. I'm using red color for this heart. And the sky blue color for this heart. You can use any kinds of color as you like for this small heart shape. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw with me. You will be able to draw like this picture. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new video. Till then, tata bye bye little friends.